In this video, I will show how to create lined paper in Microsoft Excel. So firstly, adjust paper size as A4. So firstly, adjust paper size as A4. So page layout, size and select A4. Now select this first line in the Home tab, merge and center. Select merge cells. Now hover cursor like this. Now once you see this paper line, press enter. Now click on this corner. Now drag and drop. Now once you see any paper line or paper border, so leave it like this. Now again select and here select top and bottom border. Now here select all borders. You can change color. Now once you see the page border line, so select it, format painter and paste here. Now drag and drop like this in the second page. Now file and print. So this way you can create lined paper in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.